Hey guys, my name is Vico Kang. I have been living in Southeast Asia for the last 3 years, and honestly, it has been one of the best decisions that I ever made, both for my career and my personal life. But it wasn't always this way. I was just like you, stuck in a 9-to-5 job, even worse, trapped in a family business that I absolutely hate. Like many people, I have tried different things to make an online income. I got into dropshipping or even MLM, multi-level marketing, and got scammed more than once from those gurus who tried to sell me course that they hadn't make it work for themselves. Fast forward to 2023, I was running what it looked like to be a successful social media marketing agency, but deep down I was burning out, so overweight, and was just super unhappy. And you can see that from this picture of me talking with one of my clients in the middle of the night at 11:30 p.m. I was so scared of losing clients and basically trading my time for dollar. And that until I had an accident that left me paralyzed, unable to walk. And I realized I just can't keep doing this anymore. And that forced me to pivot my business into selling software as a service instead, or you probably heard it, SaaS, more specifically AI SaaS at this stage, artificial intelligence software as a service. And to your surprise, this has changed everything, because the AI agent that I just shown you costs us very minimal resource and time to make, but deliver massive value to our clients, which means the margin is insane, the workload is light, and the business is scalable in a way that service work just never was. Don't take my word for it. Sam Abhishek here from Clientele Solution, able to scale his agency to an average of 30K per month. I was able to meet him in Thailand, Bangkok. So fortunate. Karthik from Acquire One just hit 10K monthly recurring revenue from his first ever online business from just selling AI agents. Stu James here grew his media agency to pass 30K per month worth of recurring income. Aside from this, there's also some smaller first win, like Dennis here just closed his very first client with 7,000 euro, and Jamie here just landed his first client of $3,500 while traveling in Thailand. Just a quick disclaimer here guys, the result that I share is not typical or guaranteed. Everyone's circumstances are different, and I don't know you personally. I just want to show you the possibility of the people inside the program using the platform. Everyday people just like you, but at the end of the day, your result will depend on your effort, your situations, and your ability to execute. Now, this is not a get-rich-quick scheme, and I don't have any $1,000 course to sell you right now. In fact, our Skool community is free with all of the courses and the snapshots inside. Make sure you check that out also. But what I'm going to show you is how we're going to help you execute and launch your own AI agency from scratch and increase your chance of success in the next 7 to 14 days. Now, the first thing that we want to help you do is provide you with a white label platform. What that means is that you will get your own software with AI agent pre-installed with no coding or whatsoever, and it allows you to put your own name, brand, and logo on top of it so that you can resell these AI agents as your own products. The best part about it is that we include a dedicated module with a step-by-step video that's gonna help you set up your very own AI agent and get it live in as little as 48 hours. Secondly, we're gonna help you with client attraction. At the end of the day, guys, we have to make money from this. This is why we're gonna help you package and create an irresistible AI offer that people feel stupid saying no to. This means we have to package and positioning our AI services in a way that increase its perceived value before presenting it to business owners such as real estate agent, chiropractor, or hair salon. For example, when our agency reaching out to these business owners, we always say something like, we're gonna help you replace your front desk receptionist with 24/7 AI agents that never sleep and never complain and work for a fraction of the cost. This is an absolutely no-brainer offer for these businesses because the AI actually saves them money and work better than their human counterpart when it comes to replying to email, SMS, taking phone call, and book appointment for them. And the number just worked out, guys, because we're charging business owner anywhere between 3 to 6K to set this up with a follow-up of $297 to $497 to keep and maintain this automation and this AI system running for their business. And look, this is still a lot cheaper than what they used to pay for. Just FYI here, we have done this multiple times and we post all of the sales call recording in our YouTube channel. Make sure you check that out as well. And lastly, we're going to help you with what we call a triple R method: recurring revenue roadmap. This is where we're going to be providing you our plug and play system. You're going to get our automation template, what we call a snapshot, our copy and paste AI prompt that you can install to your AI agent straight away and get it up and running as soon as possible. You're also going to get our onboarding blueprint, which going to help you bring on new clients smoothly with minimal setup and upkeep. This means you spend less time managing and more time scaling. The best part, it will turn every deal that you make to a consistent semi-passive monthly subscription, making your business very highly profitable and predictable. So what's still missing from here, guys, is the support and the community. On top of the software, the snapshot, the template, and the AI system, we're going to be giving you access to exclusive community with people who are on the same journey just like you. Some are just starting out, some are on their way to hit 10, 20, or even 30K per month in their business. And the best part, every week we're going to have a weekly support call with one of our coaches where you can come in, ask questions, get feedback, and learn from the other member. That way, you never feel like you're doing this all alone. And we really do work hard to make this as affordable as possible. So whatever price that you see on the page right now, you will get access to our no-code AI agent platform that allow you to white label it, our copy and paste template that gonna help you install and set up your AI agent as fast as possible, our proven plug and play AI agent prompt, and our weekly business call where you can connect with other people. And most importantly, our step-by-step no-code AI agent launchpad program. This program is designed to help you set up the software quickly, launch your AI agents in a matter of days, land your first client within a few days or weeks, and building a profitable recurring business model within months. Just look at Vincent Casey here, who landed his first client within the first day of launching. Alan Strand here closed 2 clients this week from selling his AI agents. Ashley Khan signed 4 new clients this week from just selling AI chatbot alone. Again, guys, I'm just showing you what's possible out here, and I strongly believe the community are one of the key ingredients that drive the success. That's why the price that you see on this page below is going to be absolutely worth it for this community alone. Now, let me just take a moment to explain the pricing and the business model. If you're already a high-level user, it's going to sound very familiar, but if you're just starting out, it's going to be super helpful either way. The business model with this white label platform is that you're going to be locking in into a fixed price, and the platform will give you a reselling license with a certain number of a sub account. A sub account is basically a fully functional software account with all of the automations, AI functionality, and pretty much everything inside the account. So think of it like the hotel. The hotel itself is the business, and inside the hotel there are rooms. Each room represents a sub account, and just like the hotel, you can rent out or sell each room, in this case a sub account, for profit. The best part about it is that you can charge as much as or as little as you want for each room or each sub account. Now let's just take HighLevel for an example. It's a platform that our AI software fully integrate with. HighLevel charge a fixed cost of $497 per month for you to have an unlimited sub account to resell to businesses. So what that means is that if you sell one sub account for $100, selling 10 of that would make you $1,000 per month, but your fixed cost is $497. Now if we were to scale that to 100 clients, which make us $10,000 per month at $100 per sub account, your fixed cost still remain at $497. So hopefully you guys can see the point by now. This business model have a fixed operational cost and it have unlimited upside. You can theoretically make as much money as you want with $497 as a fixed cost. Look, I strongly believe this is the best business model that you can start today because it requires very little to no capital upfront compared to dropshipping, Amazon FBA, day trading, or crypto, where you're going to need a lump sum of money to actually make anything in return. And it's also better than side hustles such as OnlyFans, YouTube, Instagram, or TikTok influencer, where you have to consistently be on camera, do stupid dance, and really sell your body out to whoever is going to pay for it. And the worst part is that you're going to be relying solely on an unpredictable algorithm. With this business model, there's a clear step-by-step blueprint, and there's a direct correlation between the work that you put in and the money that you make. And the people that you see on the screen right now, I know that every single one of them have put sweat and tear into starting and building their online businesses, and the reward at the end was absolutely worth it. So join the family and click the button below or somewhere around this video to get access to everything and start your own no-code AI agency today. Now, if you're still watching this, congratulations, you're part of the top 10% of people who actually follow through and watch this video until the end. So here's my gift to you. When I first started my online business journey, I didn't have any guidance. Everyone would just try sell me course, and I was skeptical, and honestly, it was scary. But I learned a lesson from this quote from President Theodore Roosevelt. He said, quote, "In any moment of decision, the best thing you can do is the right thing. The next best thing is the wrong thing, and the worst thing you can do is nothing." This is the cost of inaction, guy. AI is here to stay. The question is not if, but when. This is why I put all this program together, so that you can skip all of the guessing and you don't have to go through it alone, and you don't have to waste years of trial and error the way I did. And with that, the choice is yours. I'll leave you to it, and hopefully I can see you on the other side. This is Vico Kang. Ciao.